office in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jackson, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Mequon, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Jackson, Soapville, Germantown, Keowns, and Kirk Hayne. For your protection, move to an interior room